Soft, fluffy, and incredibly delicious. Golden on the outside and super soft on the inside. Today we are making homemade dinner rolls. And the best part, you don't need any fancy ingredients. So let's make these beautiful little rolls together. Alright, to get started, I'm going to combine the flour, salt and dry yeast in a large bowl using a hand whisk. This helps distribute the yeast evenly throughout the flour. Meanwhile, in a separated bowl, combine the room temperature milk, egg yolk, sugar and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Keep mixing until the sugar is completely dissolved in the milk. Combining these ingredients helps create a soft, tender, flavorful bread with a beautiful golden crust. Now add the milk mixture to the flour and use a spatula to combine everything until a dough forms. Now it's time to knead the dough. Depending on your kneading technique and the type of flour you are using, this may take about 10 to 15 minutes. If you notice, as I did, that the dough is too dry, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or milk. Keep kneading until the dough becomes cohesive, soft, and smooth. Proper kneading helps develop the gluten, giving the dough strength and elasticity. This allows it to trap the gas produced by the yeast, resulting in a soft, airy and well-structured bread. Now let the dough rest for 1 to 2 hours at room temperature in a greased bowl covered with a damp cloth or plastic wrap until it doubles in size. After the first rise, transfer the dough to your work surface. Gently press out the air and shape it into a square. Then divide it into 9 equal pieces. Taking care to make each piece the same size will give the finished bread a more beautiful and uniform appearance. Shape each piece of dough into a ball and place them in a greased baking pan. Make sure to leave some space between the dough balls so they have enough room to expand during the final rise. Now let the dough rest for 1 hour for its final rise. Before placing the pan in the oven, brush the tops of the dough balls with a mixture of egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of milk. Now it's time for our beautiful little dough balls to go into the oven. Bake them for 20 to 25 minutes and 175 degrees Celsius. Now your dinner rolls is ready. Well everyone, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed making these delicious dinner rolls and that you'll give these soft and fragrant rolls a try at home. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate your support. Please like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to me and gives me the motivation to keep creating and sharing more delicious recipes with you. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking!